Good morning and welcome to the video for April the 9th for 5th grade, covering the homework from lesson 9.2. So this one was pretty easy. I hope everyone was able to understand what we were working with. We will use this again a lot next year, so it's beneficial if we understand what's going on right now. So I'm going to zoom in just a little bit here. So let's take a look at number 2. So we wanted to find point B. And we are going to count over to the left first, which gives us 5, and then we're going to count up to 7. So that is going to give us the ordered pair 5, comma 7. Letter D, we're going to count to the left first. We're going to go over to 9 till we're underneath it, and then go up. That's going to give us the ordered pair 9, 3. And then letter F is right here. We are going to count over 6 and then count up 5. So that's going to give us 6, 5. And we're always going to want to put it in parentheses and put a comma in between the numbers. I think on the Google form, I just suggested that you put a comma between the numbers. That way you're not having to worry about trying to find the right key presses to get the parentheses. All right, so on the Google form, I gave you guys a multiple choice between two different versions. So one of those versions would be to have this part be 0 and this part be 4, and the other part, this part be 0 and this part be 4. So our first number is always going to be how far to the left or right we're counting. We're on 0, so 4 would be here, and this would be point R. And then we would actually label that on the coordinate plane going forward. Number 10, letter M is going to be at 2, 1. And this one is really splotchy. So let me change that one to do that. And Q is going to be 1, 5. So Q is going to be right next to R. And those are going to be the 3 points that we wanted to graph for that. Number 14, what is the distance between Kip's Pizza and the bank? So if we start here, we are at 2, and they're both on the same height with the y-axis. So all we need to do is count over the number of units, and that would be 6 units. And they don't give us a unit of measurement, so I would just say 6 units. And then we can worry about what the units would be later. Sometimes it'll be a block, sometimes it'll be a mile. So number 1 on the back, what ordered pair describes the location of the playground? The playground is right here. So we count over 4, count up 2, and that is going to give us the point 4, comma 2. And then number 2, what is the distance between the school, which is right here, and the library? So we are going to be heading north. If we were relating this to a map, and we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units. So that covers all of our questions for today. If you have any questions still, go ahead and post a comment in Google Classroom, and I'll be happy to help you with that. Again, we will do a conference call on Thursday for my office hours, so come in and say hi. I had a few people from your class come in, and it was a fun time. So hope you all have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow.